Pro Tools Carbon Pre is an extremely flexible audio interface and remote control microphone preamp which can be deployed in several different ways. When not otherwise configured, Carbon Pre can be used as a way to expand the analog I/O for any audio interfaces or digital mixers, which include ADAT optical, such as Avid Matrix Studio. While in ADAT mode, the 8 analog inputs are routed to the ADAT outputs, while the ADAT inputs are routed to the analog outputs. When used as a digital expansion device, Carbon Pre should have its clock locked to either ADAT optical or to word clock. For applications requiring the use of a standalone analog to digital converter, Carbon Pre can be toggled into ADDA mode by simply holding down the sample rate switch for a few seconds. This configures the device to simultaneously route the 8 analog inputs to the analog and ADAT digital outputs. For the highest level of fidelity, toggle the sample rate into the 192 kHz mode. To use Carbon Pre as a standard AVB interface in Pro Tools or other digital audio workstations, enable the device from the network device browser within the Audio MIDI setup application. With any DAW, including Logic Pro, from the audio preferences, we can simply assign Pro Tools Carbon Pre as the preferred input and output device. To augment the I/O capabilities of an existing Pro Tools Carbon system, Carbon Pre can take advantage of Carbon Central to attach multiple interfaces into a unified Carbon expanded playback engine for use with Pro Tools. Not only does this expand the analog I/O by simply attaching an Ethernet cable from Carbon to Carbon Pre via the AVB network, but it automatically enables and configures the remote control microphone parameters for direct access from Pro Tools. Up to 2 Carbon Pre devices can be added to a Pro Tools Carbon system, scaling the analog I/O up to 24 channels of remote controlled inputs. With Pro Tools Carbon expanded, we've built a powerful, high-fidelity audio production system which is simple to configure, operates as a unified device, and includes the I/O complement to tackle any recording project.